Hi, today we are going to review the long and short sound of E, and then we are going to talk about the long and short sound of I. Let's first review the long and short sound of E. In the last lesson, we learned that the short sound of E sounds like eh, 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 like in get, hen, fed, men, eh, eh, eh. And these words have consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, eh, men. The long sound of E says its name E, like in me, see, he, we, tree, three, be, tea, week. Today we're going to learn the short and long sound of I. The short sound of I is like I in hit, bit, him, I, I, I. Here's some more words with the short sound of I. Fib, f, I, b, fib, bib, b, I, b, bib, crib, cr, ib. The I and the B together, ib, crib, crib, rib, r, ib, rib. Let's look at those again. Fib, bib, crib, rib. Did, d, I, d, did. Rid, r, id. ID together sounds like id. R, id, rid. Bid, b, id, bid. Hid, h, id, hid. Let's go over those again. Did, rid, bid, hid. Big, b, I, g, big. Dig, da, ig, dig. The IG sounds like ig, da, ig, dig. Rig, ra, ig, rig, rig. Big, dig, rig. Rim, ra, im, rim. The I and the M together sound like im. Dim, da, im, dim. Him, ha, im, him. Rim, dim, him. Chip, ch, I, p, chip, chip. Lip, la, ip, IP together, ip, la, ip, lip. Nip, na, ip, nip. Miss, ma, is, miss. Chip, lip, nip, miss. Mit, mit, it, mit. Hit, ha, it. IT together sounds like it. Hit, lit, la, it, lit. Bit, ba, it, bit. Fit, fa, it, fit. Now we're going to talk about the long sound of I. The long sound of I sounds like I in fine, mine, like, fight. The spelling patterns of the long I sound are L-I-K-E, consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E. K-I-T-E, kite. R-I-D-E, ride. H-I-D-E, hide. W-I-N-E, wine. B-I-T-E, bite. The long sound of I makes its name I. Kite, hide, ride, hide, wine, bite, kite, ride, hide, wine, bite. Consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E is one of the spelling patterns. Another spelling pattern is IE, like pie, P-I-E, pie, lie. The other spelling pattern for long I is IGHT, like fight, fight, sight, tight, might, right, light. Here are some words with the long sound of I. The first one is sign, sign, sign. S-I-G-N, sign. Fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Fire, F-I-R-E, fire. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Tire, T-I-R-E, tire. Bike, B-I-K-E, bike. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Stripe, stripe, S-T-R-I-P-E, stripe. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine. Dime, D-I-M-E, dime. Line, L-I-N-E, line. Pie, P-I-E, pie. Tie, T-I-E, tie. Time, T-I-M-E, time. Sign, fight, night, light. Fire, five. Tire, bike, kite, stripe. Nine, dime, line. Pie, tie, time. Sign, fight, night, light. Fire, five. Tire, bike, kite, stripe. Nine, dime, line. Pie, tie, time. Let's talk about some new sight words. Our new sight words are she, are, was, they. She, are, was, they. Let's find she in these sentences. Can you find she in sentence one? She. She is sad. Let's look at sentence two. Can you find she in sentence two? Here is she. Is she sad? Let's find she in sentence three. Here it is. She is mad. Let's find are in these sentences. Here's are. We are on the mat. Are. Can you find are in two? Here it is. Are. We are not mad. Can you find are in three? Here it is. Are. Are we mad? Let's find the word they in these sentences. They are mad. Here's a they. Can you find it in two? Here it is. They. Are they mad? They. Let's find it in 3. They. Here's they. They are sad. We're going to find the word was in these sentences. Here's it is. Was. I was sad. Let's find it in 2. Can you find was? Here's was. I was on the mat. Was. Can you find it in 3? Here it is. Was. He was not mad. Here's our new words. She, are, was, they. Remember to add these to your flashcards. Practice them every day and say the whole word together. She, are, was, they.